everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. It's time to do a check-in on my project pan. Now my project pan's really small. I panned a lot of stuff last year, and going through my collection, I don't have a whole lot really. I feel I need to pan and get out of my collection. I have foundations, but I only want to do one at a time, so my foundations will be a rolling pan. And I do have a palette. If you saw my first video, my intro, I do have a palette that I want to pan at least six pans. My goal is not to use up the palette. I just want to at least hit pan, and then I'll feel I've got my money's worth. I'll continue using up my palette until it just doesn't work anymore. But yeah, let's just get started. I was going to take a photo of my eyeshadow palette last month, and I failed to do so. So I've got to remember to mark these things, and well, what I can mark. I'll take a photo of the eyeshadow palette today and we'll compare it next month. First, I have two bronzers, as you know. My Essence Matte Bronzing Powder. I love the smell of this. Although the smell is fading. I have already hit pan on this. My color is 02 Sunny. I've only used this once, and the reasoning is I have been, it is now broken. It's now broken. How about that? I may just declutter this. Wait, no, I can get the lid back on. Okay, I'm gonna hang on to this for a while, but the lid is broken on it. I've been focusing on this one. This is my Ulta Contour Palette. This I've had longer than I've had a YouTube channel. And here's what it looks like. I've just been using, this is the only one I'm using. I'm going to continue using it. Next month I'll make decisions on whether I keep this or go ahead and declutter it. It's working fine. This is too dark. This is okay. This one's okay. This one's okay. This is my shade. These two I don't like. But this one is too dark. I just don't think I'm going to use this. But I am really working on this bronzer right here. So this bronzer I may actually declutter next month. I'll think about it. I'll see how much use I can get out of this. This I believe I paid $20 for, and I think I've definitely got $20 worth of use out of that, so I don't feel so bad about that one. And the Essence is really, really inexpensive, and I've definitely got my money's worth out of it. I'll make decisions next month. I don't have a whole lot to add to the panning, so I may just keep them in and just keep going and see what happens. I do have a foundation. My Clinique Fit I am working on. The problem with this bottle, I can't see light through it. I can't see through it at all. I have to guess. The top is like this. It has that kind of a top. So there's no looking down in there to see where you're at. Yeah. So I don't really know. I don't have a scale to weigh it. Just from, it does have little balls in there to mix up the product. It is a liquidy foundation. I'm guesstimating I may be right in there, maybe halfway. I'm going to keep on until I just can't use it anymore. I'm going to add something new. I'm going to add an eye pencil. This is the Sephora waterproof pencil in Blonde Ambition. It was a sample size. It takes me forever to go through pencils, but I have one full size Urban Decay that is similar to this that I absolutely adore. So let's try to get at least to where I can't sharpen it anymore. I will put this on a card and mark it so we'll know where we are at on that one. But there we go. And then last, my palette. Last month when I started this pan, I had not hit pan on anything. Now I have hit pan. Let's see, you can see it right there. I hit pan on that middle shade. I think next to pan will probably be this one. And then I've really been working, I stopped using this one and have been focusing on this shade right here. And then I just randomly use these other shades. So it's going to be harder for me to hit pan. I need to pick one. Let's pick one and focus on it. Just so we can get to pan. I think Smarty Pants looks like it's got more wear than the others. So I'm going to focus on this and Smarty Pants. And I will. That's the only like highlighting shade. What I call highlighting, put in the center of my eye, put in the inner corner kind of shade. So that one I know I'll use. But I really want to, let's focus on Smarty Pants. That would be 4. I get that one. And then we'll just go from there. We'll figure out something. So that's where I am on my project pan. So thank you all for joining me. I appreciate it. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Any questions or comments, leave them down below. If you're new to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe. So again, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.